Okay guys, hello, and we're back playing Don't Starve, and I'm planning on getting the second farm set up, and then I need to get a spear, because in day 10 the wolves come out, and I can't fight them if I've not got anything to protect myself with. But hopefully it's not too bad. Every other time I've had to fight a wolf, or a set of them, I've always lived close to the pigs, and I've ran to them to protect me. I need to go and attack some spiders after this as well, when I get a spear, so I can regenerate my health. I think I've already been here. No, I didn't really catch that, which is pretty annoying. At least that's me almost back. Yes, there we are. There we go. I need to grab some seeds in the morning, but I need to make hope, and now I can make a spear. So I'm gonna store this, this. The one fact that annoys me is I shouldn't even be insane. It's just because I didn't know digging up graves made you go insane. But yeah, I should probably get food as well. Oh, not probably, I need to. What's the next thing? Oh, I should maybe get one of them. Yes, I can tell when winter's gonna come, because winter is very, very annoying. I don't know what that is. Yeah, I know I needed that nitra or something. Oh, what's it called? I think it's nitra, I don't know. Oh, berries. I need to eat this quickly. Oh. Here. I'm trying to trap him. No. Yeah, come on. There we go. I'm gonna go cook this because I think it'll be better. Oh, I didn't put it up by much. See, I need to look for food, and Maybe one bit of gold, so I can make a one thermometer. Does that make me go insane just being here? No, yeah. Gold. Wait, if I keep going up this way I might find a pig settlement, which would be really good because they usually have lots of food, especially the friendly ones. Nope, just a dead end. Okay. I'm very bad at getting food in this game. That's one thing I'm always doing. Hopefully those improved farms will do good for me eventually though. And I will make more at some point. I don't know if they're followable or not. Yeah, there's another one. Uh oh, what's that? Uh oh. Should I kill it? Would it work? Oh. Okay, I'm sorry. No. Oh no, it's gonna kill me. No, please. Please, I'm sorry. Okay. So it does that with its foot, it's gonna attack me. Yeah, right. Let's see. Where'd you go? No! That's just great. I need to get my stuff. Which is in a bad spot, but at least I'm not hungry anymore. Oh wait, you lose your lighter as well. Oh no. I shouldn't have followed those animal prints. No, hopefully it leaves me alone. Oh, that was scary. Right, pick up the backpack first. No, backpack. No! All I want is my stuff. Leave me alone. All I want is my stuff. All I want is my stuff. Quick. Get this quick. No. Yeah, right. Oh, leave me alone. I didn't do anything to you. Except from hit you a few times with a spear. No. Right, pick up the seeds. I need them for the farm. Stop running after me. Just leave me alone. Oh, I got this one quick. Oh god. Okay. I've got a plan. Keep following me. Over here, yep. Oh. Hey, I got your egg. What you gonna do? Please tell me he doesn't follow me forever now. Yep, he's gonna follow me forever now. Why am I always making bad decisions. Wait. Oh, no, 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 no. Come on, come on, come on. Burn. Why are you not burning? Burn. Burn. Uh-oh. I just ate it. I'm so sorry. No. You're gonna leave me alone? Should I hit it when it's getting ready to run after me? Oh god. It's a disaster. No, 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 okay, okay, okay. I've got nothing to protect me. And I stole its egg. And it won't leave me alone. Or if I just keep running, will it leave me alone? Did it leave me alone? But now there's a problem. I need one more seed. I can't attack a spider den. If yeah, I can't attack a spider den. If I've got no health to survive. I don't know if I can use to boost my health. Nope. I need to go and try and find some. I'm wondering, haven't I touchstone? I think I got another one. Not entirely sure though. Yeah, I did. So I do have another life if I die. Which I'd rather not. But yeah, at least I've got seeds. It's not the best base, but it's good enough. At least that big bird thing stopped following me. That would be so hard. And I ate the egg, I should have cooked it before I ate it. That's what I was planning on doing. I needed to fit. This was a successful session. But I can make something. Wooden flooring. Is there any point? This is still pretty warm. It's not gonna snow yet, which is the worst when it snows. And actually, I need to get health soon because those wolves are gonna come chasing me soon. What do you have in your chest now? Nothing. I'm not putting anything in you yet. Okay. Well, I hope you liked, guys, and if you did enjoy, like and subscribe. Anyway, stay cool, guys. Bye.